Hi ma'am, good afternoon. Please compute to me the ideal weight of a 5-year-old kid and please express it in our kilogram.
Okay, 5-year-old times 2, this is the standard formula, equals 10 plus 8 equals 18 kilograms. So this is the result. Focus.
Please tell me your name and your work experience.
I'm Kathy Joy Miaga. I am a registered nutritionist dietitian. Currently I am a freelance dietitian. My work experiences are I was able to work at Shuanghu Hospital as a staff dietitian, and I was once a nutrition consultant at Nestle Philippines last 2007-2009, and just this year I was able to work at Cebu Diabetes and Nutrition Center as a nutritionist dietitian.
Okay. Have you any experience as a push girl in a supermarket? For what brand? And do you have a license as a registered nutritionist?
Yeah, I was able to work as a push girl at Placerna SR. I am also a registered nutritionist dietitian.
Ma'am, good morning. I'm Kathy, the registered nutritionist dietitian. Can I take a few minutes of your time, ma'am? Just less than 3 minutes, ma'am. I have a few questions. Like, do you have a child? Yes, like 3 to 10 years old?
Yes.
5 years old. Okay. Hirap mo ba siyang pakainin, ma'am?
Oo. Sige, dapat. Walking around. Ulit mo kain ng
Gulay, gawin gulay.
yeah.
Mapili ba siya sa amin ang kinakain niya, ma'am?
Mapili.
So, talagang mahirap siya pakainin, ma'am. Nabilong siya talaga sa hard to feed child na category. So, ang ma-advise ko lang po sa iyo, ma'am, ay just introduce gradually the food, like for example, vegetable, para ma-used na siya sa vegetable. Dahan-dahan lang po kasi pag talagang
Maayaw yun siya, pero konti lang.
so, hindi talaga enough yung nutrients na nakukuha niya, ma'am. Oo. Yung bata na hindi enough yung nutrients, ma'am, madali sakitin yun at saka matamlay at masyadong stunted ang growth niya. So, meron akong i-recommend sa iyo, ma'am, kasi ako ay nutritionist dietitian. So, alam ko po yung gatas na mas desirable para sa anak mo. It's Pedisure Plus. It contains the triple sure system, ma'am. Meron siyang new triple protein complex, dual carbohydrate blend, and unique fat blend na nagtutulong sa pagtaas niya at sa yung weight niya ay masyadong tama lang sa kanyang edad, ma'am. Yun ang importante kasi pag malnourish yung bata or undernourish yung underweight pala, mapiktuhan yung brain development niya. So, marami tayong masisave na ano pa siya, matalino at saka healthy. Malayo sa mga sakit-sakit. Okay, how was it, ma'am? Would you like to purchase one? Hindi naman ito mahal, ma'am. Masisave lang kasi yung isang baso ng Pedisure Plus, it contains 30 kilocalories. Kung i-compare sa ibang brand, 1 and 1/2 glass yung ititimpla mo. So, masisave ka talaga sa Pedisure. Okay. So, thank you, ma'am, sa iyong oras. Enjoy your shopping.
Yes, ma'am.